Four of the kind. Aces. Big boos. Big boos. Big straight. Backgammon. Backgammon. Bobbums. Bob-bombs. Bowsers. Bowsers. Brainstorm. Checkers. Checkers. Choice. Click on the piece you want to move. Click where you want to go. You can't go there. Congratulations. Giovanni, hurry up and play for crying out loud. You're making me cuckoo crazy. I'ma think I go cuckoo crazy. Deuces. Dominoes. Dominoes? Do you have any? I placed the first doublet. Eureka! I pass. Mario think you fantastic. Fives. Fours. Full house. Giovanni, who? I guess I need another card. I'ma guess you need another card. Giovanni, please give me your Go Fish. Go Fish? That's a good move. Goombas? Goombas. I'ma got 3 cards. I got what I asked for. Great. I'ma like. That's a great move. Good luck. Hey, you won. Here's your bone. Hey, let's play. How about this move? I can't move anywhere. I'ma crown you. I'm fishing for. I got it. I'ma know. I'd like to have your. I'm looking for. I'ma go first. I'm lost. I'ma love to play. I'm stuck. It's my turn now. It's a tie. It's your turn. I won. Jamaica. Jamaica the who? You got a jump you can make. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Koopas. Koopas. Let me think. Let's play, huh? Let's see. Line. Little straight. Little toadies. Little toadies. Luigi's. Luigi's. Mario has to draw a bone. Mario's. Mario's. Mario's got to pass. Maybe you should pass. Mario gets to go again. You must make a jump now. Nice to see you again. Oh boy. Oh brother. Oh no. Okay. Piranha plant. Piranha plant. Pizza. Pizza the heck out of me. Pizza who? Princess. Princesses. Mario so proud of you. Rexes. Rexes. Rip Van Fishy. Rip Van Fishy. Hop. Boy. Mamma mia. Sixes. Select the line to score. You still want to play? You're such a good player. Threes. That's a great game. That's going on the triple jump. You're the champ. Nice game. You can't move anywhere. You getting good at this game. You get another turn. You go first. Now, you go to the bar. Oh, you got Mario thinking now. You got what you wanted. Uh-oh. You are now a king. You play so well. Oh, you're so good. Look like you stuck. Way to go. We're both blocked. We can't move. Who's there? Who's there? Would you like to play yacht? Yacht. Yes. I have 1 card. Yes. I'ma have 2 cards. Yoo-hoo. I'm waiting for you. Okie dokie. Your move. Your roll. Yoshi's. Yoshi's. You next. Hey, you won. Do you want to play as a Yoshi or as a Koopa? You can move anytime you want. Yaka. Yaka who? Along with Stepping Stone. Proudly present Mario Go Fish.